Hello, it's me again. Now, it does seem that some people are trying to go with some solutions because we have worked out that there are, you can get flasks, to the energy crisis, you can get flasks to put boiled water in and use them all day. Rather than boiling the kettle all the time. Now they did have that in them in Peppermill Court in York, and we've worked out that instead of, we've tried to think pinch of salt instead of go back to Peppermill and things like that. There are people trying to work this out, I hope. Now you will notice that I'm wearing a military type. Well, no, actually it has to be camouflage. It's not about military things. It is about camouflage. Like animals are sometimes camouflaged, and so are people. Well, I'm hoping that they are. I'm hoping they haven't disappeared altogether. Yeah, and it has got a CND sign on it. Now we know that it is Canada, but we're also aware that it might sort of be CN. Now we do know, like we were aware of the Greenham Common thing, and we do sort of advise everybody to be vegetarian. A woman called Jude has now given me a scarf she has knitted, and it took her, I think she said, 240 hours to knit, so that the movement really will be on my shoulder. I don't know whether why she gave me it or what, but that the movement might be on my shoulder. And I really don't want to say, frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. I really don't. I do like Frank Spencer. And I do like Betty as well in that movie. I also did like Wolfie. Now I don't know whether it was either Victor or Wolfie. I can't remember which. I really have got a video from Turkey, with the birds. There was a mosque type thing that we went to in Turkey, with a garden and some sort of funnel and the birds circling it, in a really holy place. And I have to say that it's also looking like the Library Square in York, and that I've got a photograph and a video of the birds in York near the library, which would have been the temple to my left, standing very still for a movie. And I could show you that, but I'm like, the birds maybe want me to, but I am trying to avoid it for the moment, and just talk about Frank Spencer and Wolfie and things, and the liver birds or whatever. I don't know. I do not know. Yeah, I do have to say that really I do think you should be all vegetarian. And there is some potential problem involved in eating fish, because of the Pisces connection. But I'm not. There are people who are vegan, and one of the people I know who is vegan has or has not, I'm not sure, a pig called Toby, and we have worked out that could be to be or not to be. So like, you know, this may sound like a bit of a word salad, but like it really is getting quite serious, well, very serious. The man who has or has not the pig called Toby also was really, I think he read all C.S. Lewis books. Now I have been set up to read 2 books about time machines. There was an H.G. Wells one, and there was another one. I think it was by Leonard Woolf. And it was about a quest for the Philosopher's Stone. So I don't know whether that helps or not, but I just thought I'd let you know that. Okay, bye for now. Bye.